I've just seen someone do a video on how you can actually put video behind text inside of Canva, and I thought, that's a really convoluted way. You have to download it and remove the background and everything else like that. There's an easier way by using Adobe Express. Let's dive in and let me show you. We're just here on our page. I've just got a normal page here. We're going to add some text. We're going to add our text. We're going to call it Create Better Content. Just going to make this a little bit bigger. We're going to then come over to the text and we're going to reduce the line spacing on this. We're going to then go over and we're going to centerize the text. I'm going to drag that up and make it a little bit bigger. Now this is where it comes in a little bit different inside of Adobe Express. What we do is we come over to the effects panel and we scroll down and we go to the shape, and you think like, well, that's great, you've put a shape around it. You then change the background color. I'm just going to change this to my color. But here we've got this cut out text option. There you go, the text is actually cut out. Now all I need to do is then just drag this up to fit the page. If you want to make the video hide behind things, you can do. You then just come over to the media tab, and I'm just going to search for a firework video. Okay, we're going to then come over to this video here, and we're going to put that behind the actual video here. Just come over to our layers panel, drag that down, and then now you've got the firework or the video behind the text. Good thing about this is you can come over here and you can actually edit this. You can change the font. You want a different font? There you go, you've got a different font. The video's still behind it. You don't have to remove the background. You don't have to play about with anything like that. It's all just there behind the text using the text cutout feature inside of Adobe Express. Try this out for free yourself in Adobe Express today. I've put a link down below in the description.